Runacc LED Work Light USB Rechargeable Folding Portable Waterproof 2 Cob 2000LM Flood Light Stand Working lights for outdoor camping, hiking, emergency car repairing and job site lighting, 360 degrees rotation. Runacc is a brand which is specialized in outdoor sports products to offer high-quality items for our customers. This well-designed work light has excellent workmanship and good durability. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 360 degrees rotatable and folding. Meets the need for lighting up in double sides and fast adjust angles at any time to ensure all-round lighting. Number 2. Super long battery time. Runacc LED work lights are equipped built-in 5000 mAh large capacity rechargeable polymer battery. Single light can last about 8 hours, double lights can last about 5 hours. Number 3. Power bank. Runacc rechargeable work light with 1A current output USB port. You can use it as emergency power for mobile phone. Number 4. Double brackets base, features firm, safe and stable. It is used as a handle for carrying conveniently. Number 5. 3 power indicators, easy to check the remaining battery and ensure charging in time. Number 6. Allow to light up in double sides, convenient to carry in hand or put into the bag. Number 7. Compared with the item which has one bracket, the firm bracket base is much safer and more stable. Moreover, the bracket can be used as a handle, easy to carry. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is the battery can replace? Answer. The battery cannot be replaced, but it is rechargeable. Question number 2. Would this be bright enough for about 4 to 6 hours of night fishing on 2 lights? Answer. This LED work light is equipped built-in 5000 mAh large capacity rechargeable polymer battery. Single light can last about 8 hours, double lights can last about 5 hours. Question number 3. If I leave this on 2 lights setting, how long will the battery last? Answer. Double lights about 5 hours, single light about 8 hours. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.